Hello guys, today we will learn how to add window light effect in Photoshop. First off, create a new document. Click on rectangle tool and make 3 rectangles. Press V on the keyboard. Press and hold the Alt key and Shift key to duplicate. Alt again and Shift key to duplicate properly. Now select these merge shapes, again Alt and Shift key, keep on holding it, again press the Alt key and now Shift and drag it down. Now again hold the Shift key on the keyboard and press Ctrl plus E to group them. Now press Ctrl plus T to transform, right click, click on perspective and move it as per your own window. Mine is like this and somewhat like on the right side, and hit enter. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, convert to smart object, 22 value is fine, click OK. Now click here on rectangle marquee tool, make sure that it's white. Select it and go to edit, define brush preset, sample brush 3, okay. You have your brush here. Now go back to your image. Right here it should be overlay and make sure that opacity is 65 or like that. Adjust the size by pressing the bracket key on your keyboard and click, and it's done. We have our own window effect right here. Thank you for watching.